One of the ways that we can clean up and organize code is by encapsulating it in a class or more classes. By default, Unity automatically creates a new template for us whenever we make a new script. Let's create a new C# script, my class, and let's open it up on MonoDevelop and let's see how this class works. Our script contains two voids, the start void and the update void, and it contains the libraries we need to run our script and contains the name of the class. Let's go ahead and delete all of this and let's try to learn how to create a new C# script from scratch. We need to start with the word public class and the name of our class, my class. At this point, we have our class. Let's save our code and go back to Unity. As you see, we have no script errors. Now let's try to attach this script to our camera game object. So can't add script behavior my class. The script needs to derive from monoBehavior. So monoBehavior is the name of another class inside of Unity. We are actually getting logic from monoBehavior and applying it to our class. The fact is we are extending monoBehavior allow us to apply the script to a game object. And monoBehavior is missing in our class, so we can't apply our code to our camera game object. So let's try to add monoBehavior to our game object. Now let's go back to MonoDevelop and let's try to add our monoBehavior class. So let's try to save our code. So there is a problem. The name monoBehavior cannot be found. Make sure that you add the Unity library, a Unity engine library in order to use the monoBehavior class, Unity engine. Now let's save. Let's go back to Unity and all errors will be automatically fixed. So let's try to apply our code, my class, to our main camera game object. So it's applied. So in order to use the monoBehavior class, you always need to call the library Unity engine. On the next tutorial, we're gonna see how to access variables and methods between two classes. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial.